We're familiar with the complex numbers, right? So we'll just start with 4a and we'll cheese this exercise, then we'll have a look at 4b together. So I've got a couple of complex numbers here. We have 3 plus 2i. So a complex number is a number that has a real part and an imaginary part, imaginary component. And we have w is 1 take 4i. Okay. Part A says find z plus w. This is as simple as adding the real components together and the imaginary components together. So I have 3 plus 1, that takes me to positive 4. And I have 2i, take away 4i, that gives me take away 2i. Alright, we have 2z, take away w. So just like in BEDMAS, we need to multiply z by 2 first. So it's going to become 6 plus 3i, take away, and then take away all of w. So we need to use brackets such that the negative can distribute, and then we'll collect like terms. So we'll have 6 plus 3i, take away 1 plus 4i, we'll be left with 5 plus 7i. And then we have z multiplied by the conjugate of w. Now what this means, z is 3 plus 2i, and the conjugate of w is just going to be that number, except we've changed the sign here.
I think in B, it's going to be 6 plus 4i.
Ah, you silly duffer. Fix that up. And then we have 4, that'll be 8i. Thank you. Okay, happy with the z times the conjugate of w, and then we'll just do some FOIL here. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4i, plus 2i, and then plus 8i squared. Take out minus 5 plus 14. Okay, now it does ask us to sketch these on the complex plane, so I'll just do a rough sketch. We'll include some, let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 12. Alright, so our first complex number is 4, take away 2i. So the real component is 4, so I've said that's 2, that's 4. 4, take away 2i. This is my first complex number, z plus w.
Do you put the arrow if it doesn't go on forever?
I think so. Let's because it's a vector, it's got direction, you know. So yes, we do. Yeah. So for I think you're thinking of a function with a graph. That arrow insinuates that it goes on forever, but this is just insinuating it has direction up to that point. All right, z plus w, 2z take w. We have 5, so that's going to be here plus 8i. That's going to be up here. This is 2z, take away w. And then we have minus 5 plus 14i. Yeah. 2, 4, minus 5 plus 14i. That's going to be up here. Z times the conjugate of w. Alright, let's pause there. Let's shred that exercise 4a. And then we'll come back and do some